dig the old W9 out, get this week started. Go have some fun this week. I'm a really have some fun, man. I'm gonna turn some stuff up on y'all. I'm gonna have some fun this week. Ooh, we gonna bring that out here too. Probably we'll might bring the 660 out this week, the week after next. Bring that out, have some fun with that. I got some things planned for that in the next next week? Yeah, next week. Now let's go check on old 99%. See how she been. She got a little break. You know, this whole Labor Day weekend thing. She got a little break. First things first though. Let's go make sure our battery ain't dead on our reefer, because that kind of stuff happens too when these things ain't ran for a couple days. I'll flick this thing on real quick. I really should climb up there and check the oil, but I know it was good when I checked it the other day, so I'm gonna check the truck oil though for sure right now before I start it up. Check everything else before I start it up, because we about to run. I really want to put like a APU back on this truck, man, because of all the idling I do down here in Florida because of this damn heat. Good thing it's about to be winter. Sheesh. I might put one on that 660 or one of those what you want to call it, though, electric APUs. I had one on one of my other trucks. It was quite nice, but once it was broke, I couldn't find parts for the damn thing. But let me check these oils real quick. Give me a second. Alright, we all lubed up. Reefer done started up. I set it to 30. Set it to 35 degrees because we about to go and get some cheese, baby. It's supposed to be 34, but I'm not gonna have it on long. But let's go and see if Bertha got enough juice. That's what I call her. 99%, that was her first name, was Bertha, because it was a big truck. 285 wheelbase, hauling containers. That was a big truck to be hauling containers in. But anyways, let's get this night started, boys. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This night started. Started. Get this night started. Get some lights on. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna crank this AC up. Woo! It's hot. Alright. Let me get aired up and we gonna get the trucking, y'all. Well, we done parked the old lack. This parking spot. Oh, you see this girl sitting there just grumbling. She ready to go to work. Oh, about to hop in this thing, head on up to Tennessee. Gonna go get some cheese, y'all. And then we're gonna go ahead and start sprucing this truck up now. It's time to show off a little bit. I've been neglecting her a little bit, but I've had a lot of other things going on. It's game time. Going up this Screaming Eagle. daytime. He was bold and he was gonna do it. You'll see a lot of the Amazon guys doing that. They'll run this thing. Right here on this gravel road, wait for you to be a goofball trying to run it. Daddy always said, find a hole and stick it in there. That's what we gonna do down this hill. This hill is pretty nasty. 6% grade. I know there's some steeper ones out there, but this one ain't no punk either. Check out this 990 I just found. Look at this. He got red, white, and blue for his underglow. Now that's what I'm talking about. Look at all this button lights all over this thing. That red, white, and blue is crazy, right? Uh-oh, he switched them for us. Yeah, man. This is something serious. I love this 990. What's up, man? Yep, she's beautiful. I love that red, white, and blue. That's a hell of a touch. That's crazy. That's the one right there, man. Yeah, heck yeah. Hey, be safe, man. Good seeing you again. Yep. Well, like I said, you ain't gotta be long, stretched out, and crazy like me to be a large car in my book. You just got to be clean and prideful. That's all I care about. This guy though, he just parks and blocks up the whole lane after being in the pump for like an hour, blocking up the whole pump. I tell you what, some of us drivers, don't do some thinking. I tell you what. Anyways, time for me to get back to work. We've been riding tonight because my boy's Pete pulling in. Look at this Pete. Look at that Pete. Yeah. We're riding now. Trying to get some fuel, but everybody in Rama. Right, mama just parked anywhere. Ooh, look at this BMW he got on here. That's nice. Anyway, pulling in. Lights on that sleeper. What's going on, man? Me and the Blue Magic Peterbilt running on down to Florida tonight. Overnight flight. In 312 wheelbase. Peter car. What's up? Gotta get my dang bumper on this thing. It'll happen. Got a long week ahead of me. This dirty ass truck. I wanted to get out and polish it today, but I just know Florida, you know. It's gonna rain on me, I know. I'll wait till I go up north next week and I'll polish it up real good then.